prolong this too much. We do have another break here in a little bit, so we'll go ahead and get it started. I'm gonna have to. It shouldn't be too hard to remember. I was gonna say I'm gonna have to think about what's in these boxes, but it hadn't been that long ago. Surely I can remember what we're looking for here. Alright, we will put the Mojos to the side. We'll go through all the paper base real quick. Alright, Jose Barrios, Reese Hoskins, Aaron Judge, Royce Lewis, Jesus Sanchez, Zach Thompson. Our first chrome is Clark Schmidt for the Yankees and a Grayson Rodriguez for the Orioles. We got a rookie of Zach Gallen and Andres Munoz. So these paper packs are just about as boring as I remember. Sometimes you get lucky and hit a nice Bowman first or a couple good rookies or something, but they really don't do much crazy for you in here. Mookie Betts, George Springer, Braylon Marquez, Grant Lavigne, Hunter Bishop, chrome Matt Manning for the Tigers, and a Bowman first John Diaz for the Rays. We got a rookie Sheldon Noose. There's a Mike Trout base card and a Francisco Lindor. The Mojo packs are what everybody's after, so we'll kind of bust through the paper fairly quickly, and then we'll get to the Mojos. Junior Fernandez, rookie for the Cardinals. Tony Gonsolin, rookie for the Dodgers. Yu Chang for the Cleveland Indians. We have a Luis Robert base card here. We do have a paper Bowman first, Nico Holzer for the Rays. A Austin Beck base. We got a Bryce Terang chrome. A Bowman first Nick Bennett for the Brewers. And Matt Chapman. Chad, I don't have... I might have enough for one more of these breaks at some point, but I really don't have much more of this stuff. We used to break this 2 or 3 times a week for probably a month or two, and then just kind of ran out of it. Tim Anderson, Whit Merrifield, Bowman first Tariq Skubal, the Tigers, Ryan Mountcastle, Evie Garcia. Chrome here is Marco Luciano for the Giants, and Keibert Ruiz chrome for the Dodgers. Yusei Kikuchi, Luis Castillo, and Hanser Alberto. Alright, here's what we came for here, these Mojo packs. See if I can get it open properly. Alright, got the old tire tracks running across the card like I remember. Matt Manning, Alex Kirilloff, Aaron Seville, Rookie of the Year favorites, insert. Oscar Gonzalez, Bowman first for the Indians. And Jordan Adams for the Angels. Yeah, the Mets are one of the toughest pulls in Bowman period. I've had some breaks where we get like two Mets cards, so I hope that's not the case. Spencer Howard, the Phillies. Estevan Florial, the Yankees. Hey, we have an auto. Just tell by the backwards card there. Let's see here. What's the best way to do this? Let's move it to the back. Nick Madrigal. Jazz Chisholm. And our auto should be this way, maybe. Nope, got it upside down. The Padres. Joey Cantillo. Nice on-card auto for the Padres. I find it weird how they don't put... I'm pretty sure this is Bowman first in this set, but they don't put it on the autos. Same thing happened with another player we got one time. It was his Bowman first, but when we pulled his auto, it didn't say that. Not sure why that is, but that's just the way it is. A nice one there for the Padres. I like how most of the autos, if not all of them, out of these megas have been on card. It's pretty slick. One auto out of one box so far. I think the Bowman Platinum Mega Boxes have an auto in every box. But it's like $2 per card to get those boxes. And like, I've heard a bunch of the cards are dinged up, damaged. And not only that, but I think they're paper stock too. I don't think there's really, I may be wrong on that, but I don't think the card quality is great. All right, Ramon Laureano, Mike Yastrzemski, Willie Adams, Jordan Adams, Bowman first of Aaron Shortridge for the Pirates, Nate Pearson, I have a chrome of Reese Hines for the Reds, Zach Brown for the Brewers, a couple of chromes there, Lucas Giolito, White Sox, and Jose Urena for the Marlins. I just want to be surprised one time and then like make a mistake and put a crazy awesome card in there. One of those cards felt thick, but I think it's just 2 cards. Chris Bryant, Ketel Marte, Damon Jones, Bowman first for the Phillies. Andrew Vaughn for the White Sox. Hans Kraus for the Rangers. We got a chrome Travis Swaggerty for the Pirates. And Isaac Paredes, chrome as well. Francisco Mejia, Vlad Guerrero Jr., and a Jack Flaherty for the Cardinals. Sean Murphy, rookie for the Athletics. Rusar Terrell, rookie for the Twins. Zach Collins for the White Sox. And we bounce back to our base cards. Ian Anderson, Hunter Green, Zach Thompson. Got a chrome J.J. Bleday for the Marlins. Nice one there. Ethan Hankins. Alex Young, rookie for the Diamondbacks. And Nick Solak for the Rangers. Adrian Morejon, rookie. Seth Brown. Franklin Perez. Tigers there. Daniel Lynch. Hunter Bishop. Chrome Jonathan India for the Reds. And Ronaldo Hernandez for the Rays. We got a Mauricio Dubon, rookie for the Giants. Michael Baez, rookie. And Travis Demerit. So 3 rookies there. Back to back to back. All right, back to the Mojos. Big money, please. Royce Lewis for the Twins. O'Neal Cruz, Pirates. Spanning the Globe, Yu Chang for the Cleveland Indians. Ryan Mountcastle for the Orioles. And Dylan Carlson for the Cardinals. Auto's going for the Skunk. Aaron Shortridge, Bowman first for the Pirates. Glenn Allen Hill Jr., Bowman first for the D-backs. We got a Sam Hilliard, Rookie of the Year favorites for the Rockies. Alec Bohm, I think I'm saying his name wrong, for the Phillies there. And Brady McConnell, Mojo for the Royals. So we got the one auto in the last box, but the Mojos haven't been crazy. We still ain't found the some of the top guys we're looking for. So that was what I think was kind of telltale with these breaks in the past. We never really had just a blowout break. There was some decent breaks, some okay breaks, some horrible breaks, but I don't remember any breaks where I just like turned off the camera and was like, oh my goodness, let me take a look at these cards. We still got 3 boxes left. Maybe we can make some memories. George Springer. We got a Junior Fernandez rookie for the Cardinals. Bowman first, John Diaz. Oscar Gonzalez, Bowman first. So a pretty good pack for paper there. Luis Garcia. We got a Joey Cantillo. Bowman first chrome for the Padres. We got his auto sitting over there too. Oscar Gonzalez, Bowman first chrome. It's actually the best paper pack we've had so far. Brian Reynolds, Willie Calhoun, and a rookie of Zach Gallen for the D-backs. Any Mets, please? Tony Gonsolin, Yu Chang, Tim Anderson, the White Sox, Ramis Adaman, Brian Mata, look back at that card, Eleris Montero, got Adley Rutschman Chrome for the Orioles, a Braylon Marquez Chrome for the Cubs, Andres Munoz, rookie for the Padres, and Sheldon Neuse, rookie for the Athletics. Yeah, none of the big boys, not one yet. I don't even think we got no rookie Luis Robert, no Pawson, no Bobby Witt, no Kyle Lewis, no Dominguez, Whit Merrifield, Christian Yelich, Jordan Adams, Bowman first of Aaron Shortridge for the Pirates, Cal Mitchell, also for the Pirates. Had a Josiah Gray, Bowman Chrome, Jesus Sanchez Chrome, another Mike Trout, Francisco Lindor, and Max Muncy. Ramon Laureano, Mike Yastrzemski, Willie Adams, Will Wilson, Bowman first, Jacob Amaya, the Dodgers. We have an Austin Beck, Athletics. Bowman first chrome, Chris Valmont for the Twins, Ryan Rollison chrome for the Rockies. I got a couple Polar Bears of Top Series 2, his rookie cards I sent to PSA, and then he goes and bats like .215 this year. So I think the cards will be worth less than the cost of grading. Matt Chapman, Yusei Kikuchi. Sometimes that happens, though. He'll bounce back. Everybody goes through slumps, right? All right, to the Mojos. Jeremy Pena, Bowman first for the Astros. Giselle De La Cruz for the Braves, Bowman first. Brendan McKay, rookie for the Rays. Joey Bart for the Giants. And Hans Kraus for the Rangers. I'm not sure about his last name, if I'm saying that right. Or his first name. Maybe it's Hands. Throw them hands, boy. Can we get one Mets card before Otto leaves the video? J.J. Bleday for the Marlins. Dane Dunning. Desan Brown spanning the globe for the Blue Jays. Brian Mata for the Red Sox, and a Drew Waters for the Braves. You know, there's a couple teams in every break that I think about not even listing because they're on the checklist. They are so few and far between. The Mets would be one for this break. But then if I don't list it, somebody will ask me, hey, I don't see, so-and-so on the break. So I just always list it, and you just never know. Hope for the best, maybe. Maybe you get the best card on the checklist, but it's just kind of depressing when there's so few cards on the checklist for a certain team. Tim Anderson, Whit Merrifield, Christian Yelich, you got a John Diaz, Bowman first for the Rays, Oscar Gonzalez, Bowman first, Eliris Montero, Chrome Tyler Freeman for the Indians, Logan Davison Chrome, Mike Soroka for the Braves, and Robel Garcia, rookie for the Cubs. Ramon Laureano, Mike Yastrzemski, Ramis Adaman, Brian Mata, Cal Mitchell. Man, what a paper pack that was. Ugh. Chrome for the Pirates, Cabrian Hayes, and Tristan Casas for the Red Sox. Rookies are Jesus Luzardo, Anthony Kay, and Abraham Toro. The recap is going to be rather short because we don't have any numbered cards, any color. All we got is that little auto for right now. Willie Adams, Chris Bryant, Keto Marte, Jordan Adams, Aaron Shortridge, Bowman first, the Pirates, Luis Garcia, Chrome of Nick Madrigal, and Tristan Lutz. Aaron Savelle, rookie for the Indians, and a Dustin May, rookie for the Dodgers. Sean Murphy, rookie. Rustar Gratero, Damon Jones, Bowman first. A few decent cards out of the way there. Andrew Vaughn, Jorge Mateo. Oh, wouldn't you know it? Slipped in with a little chrome. Ronnie Mauricio for the Mets. Forrest Whitley, chrome as well. We got a Trent Grisham, rookie for the Padres. Eduardo Escobar and Joey Votto to round it out. Let's have some decent mojos here, please. That's terrible. Tristan Casas. Oh, we have a purple. Forrest Whitley. And Ulrich Bojarski. 23 of 250 for the Tigers. Is that the way the card is supposed to be, or am I looking at something really weird? Let me put these to the side. I haven't seen enough of these purples to know, but you see how the cards get all the weird colorations on the side? Is that how they... That doesn't even look right. It almost looks like it lost a bunch of foil. Like the foil stamp didn't go very well. Like all around the purple edges. It's like little it's almost like foil gaps. I thought it was supposed to be uniform all the way around, but I could be wrong. I could be wrong because the Spanning the Globe does have some weird stuff going on. I don't know that I've seen the Spanning the Globe parallel purple before. Bo Bichette, rookie for the Blue Jays. Couple nice ones there. And Grant Lavigne for the Rockies. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'll have to look that up, but it almost looks like that card's all messed up. But Spanning the Globe inserts do have some funky stuff going on, so quite possibly that's what we're dealing with here. Hopefully that card's not some printing error on it. These numbered cards, autos, parallels, all that stuff, they are a little bit thicker stock, so you got to kind of pinch the sides of your top loader to go ahead and get the card in there. So we did get a Bo Bichette as well for the Blue Jays. Alright, we still got a mojo left here. Some sweet, sweet magic. Alright, Jeremy Pena, Bowman first again. Giselle De La Cruz, another one for him. Luis Patino, Spanning the Globe. Aramis Adaman for the Cubs. And Cabrian Hayes for the Pirates. So maybe a similar pack that we had a little bit ago, because I do remember most of those guys already. Alright, our last box here. Last box for the win. 3 Mets cards. Can we get 3 Mets cards out of 50? I need some Jeff McNeils, please. With that goofy smile that dude's got. Jogging around third base. I love that dude's pictures. Alright, here we go. Let's get this sadness over with. The brutality of this break has not been kind to us. Chris Bryant, Ketel Marte, Ian Anderson, Hunter Green, Marco Luciano, a Will Wilson Chrome for the Angels, Grant Little Chrome. There's a Bryce Harper for the Phillies, Hunter Dozier for the Royals, and a Trevor Story. 0 for Gopher on the Mets on that pack. Sean Murphy, rookie for the Athletics. Rustar Otero for the Twins. Zach Collins for the White Sox. Franklin Perez. Daniel Lynch. Bryson Stott. Hey, there we go. It's not bad for the last box. Bobby Witt Jr. Chrome, Bowman first. Got Taylor Trammell Chrome as well. Javi Baez and Brian Reynolds with a nice mustache. Well, we got a Bobby Witt in the Chrome form. Don't know that it paid for the slot by any means, but at least we didn't get skunked with a bunch of Whit Merrifields and that'd be it. And 100 Dozier, I believe, is what we pulled. Yankees are struggling, though. Adrian Morjon, rookie. Seth Brown, rookie. We have a Zach Brown. Daz Cameron. Kinsey Gore. Andrew Vaughn Chrome for the White Sox. John Diaz, Bowman first for the Rays. Chrome there. Yordan Alvarez, rookie for the Stros. Gavin Lux and Jordan Yamamoto. Oh, nice batch of rookies right there. Just kind of unfortunate that it's on paper stock. Shane Bieber. Cody Bellinger. Jeff McNeil, my boy. Ethan Hankins. Nick Madrigal. C.J. Abrams. C.J. Abrams Chrome. Not sure what happened there. Back to back. O'Neal Cruz Chrome. Pirates got a lot of cards tonight. Shohei Ohtani. And Lucas Giolito. Alright. Last 2 Mojo packs. Need something big for the Yankees for sure. But also for the Athletics, probably. Casey Mize. Bowman first, Joe Ryan for the Rays. Sean Murphy, Rookie of the Year favorites for the Athletics. Ryan Mountcastle and Dylan Carlson for the Cardinals. Nothing crazy doing there. At least give us a numbered card in here, please. Something. Old Tariq Skubal, Bowman first. We got Jaron Duran, Bowman first. We have a purple. There's a Bowman first, Miguel Vargas. This is going to be their best mojo pack for sure, because we got 3 Bowman firsts already. This is 250 out of 250. So the last card to come off the line. That's sweet. Alec Bohm and a Brady McConnell for the Royals. So tough break for multiple teams there, unfortunately. The Mets included. Well, those cards are a little bit thicker. They still, like, when the top loader closes, it's still, like, smaller than the actual frame of the loader. But just going in, gotta make sure you open it up pretty good. That's a nice one for the Dodgers, though. Bowman first, purple, out of 250. Miguel Vargas. I don't have a lot of cards for a recap. I mean, we got some decent Bowman first mojos over there, but nothing really short printed or colored. We only got one auto. Joey Cantillo for the Padres. Probably pronounce that Cantillo, but I don't know how to roll my L's very well. I think that the Spanning the Globe, that background is part of Spanning the Globe. I hope it's not a bad error on that card, but it looks like throughout the middle of the card there's some shadowing and different coloration, so I'm thinking it might be just part of that insert, but I'm not 100% sure. 23 out of 250, Ulrich Bojarski for the Tigers. Bo Bichette, Rookie of the Year favorites for the Blue Jays. Bobby Witt Jr., Bowman Chrome, and Miguel Vargas, 250 out of 250, purple there for the Dodgers. So not a lot going on. Jaron Duran, we got a Bowman first mojo of him. We got some Bowman first mojos. Just missed all the big 3 on the mojo cards. Bobby Witt, Paulson, and Dominguez. But sometimes that's the way it goes. I think this was part of the reason I kind of started avoiding these breaks, because we just had a lot of busts. I saw a lot of other breaks that were kind of busting too. You either had a monster break, pulled a crazy auto, or a bunch of the decent guys, or you just missed big time. So I don't know. I think I have one more of these breaks in the closet. I may try to do it. I may not. I'm not 100% sure, but appreciate you guys jumping in here. Sorry if your team didn't do so hot. I guess that's part of the game. Sometimes we don't always win, but if you guys need anything, shoot me a message on eBay or Facebook. I'll be happy to try to help with something. Aside from that, I'm going to hop off here, start getting ready for the next break at 11, I believe it is. You guys have a good Tuesday. Don't work too hard, and we'll catch you later. See you.